We're doing it on Omega. This is episode 429, part 1. TRI-GOON versus Burning Abyss. I lose both. Man, I'm trying to get this thing. It's always... What is going on here? Prosperity. He goes first. Prosperity. Okay. Oh well, I gotta look over here. I got the other. What am I doing? Tour guide. Special. Fiendish Rhino. Goes into Dante. Dante. What is this guy doing? From 1 to 3, then send that many cards to the graveyard. This turn. This card gains 500. Okay. This card attacks, changes to defense at the end of the battle and battle phase. This card is sent to the graveyard. You can target one Burning Abyss card from your graveyard, except this card added to your hand. You did one, so tribute. Fiendish Rhino. This card is sent to the graveyard. You can send one Fiend monster from your deck to the graveyard, except itself. Okay. It's gonna be Graph. This card is sent to the graveyard. You put summon one Burning Abyss from your deck, except Graph. Seer. Hey, Masquerena. Seer. If this card is sent to the graveyard, you can target one Burning Abyss monster from your graveyard except Seer. Special summon it. Dante. Okay. What the This guy. What? What am I reading here? I don't know what happened there, but Beatrice, Scarm, had Graph. Fractal dump Kit, Nerval, Karis and Nerval, Ice Dragon's Prison. Oh no. You can target one monster in your opponent's graveyard, special summon it to your field, but its effects negated. Then you can banish one monster from both players' field that have the same type as each other. These guys have the same type, and it's gonna banish both of them. Pot of Prosperity. I did 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Really desperate, and then he activates Imperial Order, negate all spells on the field. I try to protect my life points with Kit, and then he Beatrice detach. And then I activate Call by the Grave, but I forgot there was a Imperial Order there. Go ahead. It's gonna send Scarm. What is this guy doing? This card is sent to the graveyard. Take one Burning Abyss card from your graveyard. Except this card. Oh, okay. Scarm gets Tour Guide. Standby phase, pays 700. Goes into a Unicorn. It's gonna detach or discard to return that to the deck. Seer. Dante. Oh, summon Tour Guide effect. Special summon Fiendish Rhino from the deck. Length for Cherubini and Fiendish Rhino. It's gonna dump Fiend Monster, which is Libic. Discard a sent to the graveyard, put someone level 3 Dark Fiend type monster from your hand, but its effects negated. Scrap, Terabini, target, dump, Barbar. What the heck was that? Discard a sent to the graveyard, you can target up to 3 Burning Abyss cards from your graveyard except itself. Banish them, and if you do, inflict 300 damage to your opponent for each. So I did 3, so I take 9. Oh god. And then he's gonna finish it off here. Nice Ice Dragon's Prison. And then, oh! Stardust wins! That wasn't flawless. The way he finished me off in part 2 was also pretty cool. What's going on here? Okay, I went first. Fractal Kit. Kit Nerval had Karis. Discard. Cat special. Activate effect, banish 2 for Farigit. Special summon. Cat, tribute. Special those 2. But if its effects negated, like I don't even have an arrow here. Draw, put back. And I did a 4 material Apo. Bearbrum is gonna add the Revolt and put the bottom of the deck Gamma. Set the Revolt on my turn. Prosperity. They did 3. Oh, what did he got there? IO, Strike, or Tour. We got Tour. Okay. It's gonna Libic. Apo, negate. Minus 800. Barbar. Once per chain. Decrease attack. Same thing. Negate. Normal summon, negate. It's gonna attack. Gonna declare an attack. Revolt. Shureg. And then the chain links. The Kit's gonna dump Fractal. Nerval's gonna add Kit. Bearbrum's gonna draw a Revolt and put back to the bottom of the deck Kit. And then Shureg's gonna banish Tour Guide. Main phase 2, he sets 2 card. Right here, I should have just attacked, but the 0 attack Apo was like, well, I'll just go into Verte and then it activates Torrential Tribute. I set the Revolt, and then my turn is gonna activate Trap Trick. And he's gonna banish Griefing, and then he sets the Griefing. He could activate Griefing right now, which he does. He's gonna shuffle back. What did he shuffle back? Karis got shuffled back, and then he dumped Absolute King back Jack. Okay. What the heck does this guy do? During your opponent's turn, quick effect, you banish this card from the graveyard. Excavate the top card of your deck. And if it was a normal trap, you could set it on your field. Otherwise, send it to the graveyard. This set card. What? That set card can be activated this turn. If this card is sent to the graveyard, you could look at the top 3 cards from the top of your deck, then target them, but then place them to the top of the deck in any order. Jesus Christ. Libic, Barbar. Right into Fortune Tune. He was gonna go for Zeus play. Should let him attack first. No, wait. He had no overlay. He would have attacked. Got the chain link. Sets a card. Okay, what was that? Trap trick. Jesus Christ. You could activate the trap trick with Absolute King Backjack. Banish. Fractal. For Rugal. Shureg is gonna trap trick. And Plesiozoic Dynamiscus. Plesiozoic Dynamiscus is going to discard and then banish. Okay, but I still was able to banish Ice Dragon's Prison with Shureg. Scarm. Going to access code. Pop. Attack them for 53. Prosperity. 1, 2, 3. And Valor, Talent, and Twin. I got Valor. Scarm adds here. Oh, summon Phoenix Rhino, Seer, Special Summon. Rank 3, Dante, Detach, Send, and then I Veilered him, Farfa, and Phoenix Rhino. Farfa's gonna banish access code. Yeah, right here. This card is sent to the graveyard. You could target one monster on the field, banish it until the end phase. I thought I was banished. Graph, Seer. Attack. He goes into a Downward Magician and then into a Zeus. Oh god. Well, I got the access code back end phase. Draw phase, he detaches 1, 2. It's gonna send to the grave everything except itself. Dante is gonna target one Burning Abyss in his graveyard, add it to his hand. What was that? Scarm. Okay. Oh, something Nerval. I was running. Oh my god. A third Shureg would probably. Yeah, third Shureg. Well, I went for Double Dragon Lords. Double Dragon Lords is going to send to the grave to return Zeus, Seer. It's Dante. I thought I was gonna attack him, but then he's at high defense. Nerval, add kit. Oh, and I end my turn because he has his high defense, and if he attacks, it goes to defense. How the heck did he go into a Beatrice? Oh, what? Okay. Oh, and then a Double Dragon Lords him. Jeez. Crashes. Seer gets Dante. Attack. Goes to defense. Goes into a Zeus. One material though. One material. Scarm. Tour Guide. I'll summon Kit, deactivates Trap Trick, and Plesiozoic Dynamiscus is gonna special summon itself from the grave since the trap is activated. and then you banish his Karma Cut. Okay, it's gonna activate the Karma Cut. Discard to target one face-up monster your opponent controls. Banish that target, then banish all cards with the same name as that monster in your opponent's graveyard. Jeez. Set the end permanent. My turn. Switch to attack, and then I end permed him, and it was pretty much over from here. He goes into a Zeus, activates the Zeus. That's Dante and Zeus. Dante is gonna get back Barbar. Okay. He activates Barbar. What? How did he get sent to the graveyard? Oh, if you destroy this card, if you control a Burning Abyss monster that's not in Burning Abyss. Oh, if you don't control a Burning Abyss monster, destroy that card. And he's gonna do 1, 2, 3. This card is sent to the graveyard. You can target up to 3 Burning Abyss cards from your graveyard, except Barbar, banish them, and your opponent takes 300 for each, so 9. He did. Boom! Oh! Stardust wins. Does he have a deck? 429. He does have a deck. 429. Okay. Okay. Let's go online. We were at 1314, 1392, or 1292, 429. Let the net decking begin. 45 card. Here we go. You could hold down control and move anywhere. You could do that in game as well. Divine Wrath, what? Boral Sword. That was a nice side deck there. 264, still at 264? Of course. Comment, share, like if you sub, it's up if you liked it. See you guys.